All right, here we go. Ace McLeod versus Prom Night Dumpster Babies. Take that one shot. Oh, 1 point? Are you fucking kidding me? Bullshit. Woo! Think we'll heal up to full here. If not, it should be close enough for a hundo. Yeah, it's a hundo. That should one shot. That should be game over. Oh, just barely not. Now it's going to be game over. One shot. One shot. One shot. Bob Baga. I don't have a combo. God damn it, man. We need to get something out of there. Oh. Thank you. That should be a hundo. That it is. Ooh, that'll be a good value. So what is that? That's 12, 98. Oh, that's one shot. One shot, motherfucker. You know what? I'm just gonna leave that 15 motivate on there for the easy one shots. One shot and everything in this motherfucker. What do you think? Should we go on a ride today? Should we go for a long drive? I think we should. Stop looking at me, dog. Think we're going to the mountains today, boys. You ready, puppy? We go to the mountains? I fucked this up. I wasn't paying attention. I fucked this up. Just get Steve out of there, please. Thank you. Alright, we should be fine. I don't know why I did the Germain. We should have fucking just played the combo out of the gate, but I didn't. Focus! We're not gonna one-shot that, but it's gonna be close. And for that fact, I am gonna do this. Oh, you bitch. We're not liking how this is looking. At least we got rid of that. Oh, you bitch. Oh shit, see, I need to heal up. I think if I do that, it gets more auto heal, and I think we're okay. Yes! Entropy. This should be a one shot. Yes, sir. Game over. It's another 1,000. 1,000, 998, and 1,000. Fucking Brittany's only reason why I got fucking a 998 in there. Damn it, Brittany! All right. Well, that does it for me. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you later.